Today on the Cyber Sandbox, we're going to talk about what small businesses are still getting wrong. The good news is, we're going to talk through on how to fix that. 7 myths that small businesses still get wrong. Stay tuned. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you think your business is too small to get hacked? Well, cyber criminals love easy targets. And unfortunately, small businesses really are that easy target. They are that low-hanging fruit. I'm John, and this is the Cyber Sandbox. Today, we're going to break down some real-world threats with some real-world solutions. One of the myths that people still have is that your business is too small. Cyber criminals love small businesses. And the reason is because small businesses don't have a lot of money. They don't have a lot of manpower to put into place to fix these gaps and fill all these problems. A lot of times, those are the targets they're actually looking for, and it's because they are the low-hanging fruit. Hackers don't handpick you. They use automation for this. If you're online, you're on their radar, especially if your cybersecurity is weak. And let's be real, most small businesses do have weak setups.
Are you serious?
So the good news is there is a way to fix this. You just need to start thinking like a target. Do a basic cybersecurity risk assessment every year. Even if it's just you, do that assessment. Figure out where your weak spots are and understand what you can do to get better.
You got to get better at this part of the job.
And to be stronger in your cybersecurity stance. All right, so myth number 2, we have antivirus. We're good. That's not the case. Antivirus does not solve all the problems. Let me be very clear. Antivirus alone is not good enough. You need more security. In today's attacks, ransomware, phishing, credential theft, they blow right past this antivirus. So how do we fix that? Use layered defense. EDR, email filtering, multi-factor authentication. It's about depth, not just one tool. In order to fight this and to fix it, you need defense in depth. The third myth, cybersecurity is an IT problem. Actually, it's a people problem. What? Over 90% of the breaches start with one thing, a human mistake. They click a bad link, there was a gap in the security, they go to a website they weren't supposed to. It all starts with humans though. One of the things that we do as humans is reuse passwords. It's easy for us. We should not be reusing passwords. I know it's difficult, but there's lots of tools out there to help you with this. So how do we fix this? We train our teams. We train our employees. We run fake phishing tests. We make reporting suspicious activity easy and normal for the end user. Myth number 4, our passwords are fine. Still using company name 1234 with a question mark is not fine.
Now, what is your password?
Password, the word spelled out password.
You're the head of security and your password is password?
I don't feel good about it either.
That is something that shows up in every hacker dictionary out there. These passwords get logged into many databases, into many lists that these hackers use. They will happily say thank you, take that password, and crack your account. Passwords get leaked every single day. Hackers take that data and they break into your account, and they do it really, really fast when they have your password. One of the ways that we can fix this, we use a password manager. We use stronger passwords. We allow the generators to do what they're designed to do to help us make those stronger passwords. And always, always, always use multi-factor authentication. I cannot stress that enough. 90% of all account compromises come from weak passwords and multi-factor not being turned on. Myth number 5, we'll figure it out if we get hacked.
That is literally the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
Let me handle this. That idea is just the worst.
Yeah, that's not going to work. If you don't have a plan, you are in a lot of trouble. That disaster is just waiting to happen. If you don't understand how to work around that, you're going to be in a world of hurt. If you don't have a plan, if you don't have that disaster recovery ready to go and in practice and in place, you are going to be in trouble. Most small businesses that get hit with ransomware, they don't survive. So how do we fix this? We create a simple incident response plan or an IR plan. You back up your data, you offline it and you encrypt it. Then you test that restoration process at least twice a year. Myth number 6, we'll patch it later. Outdated software is one of the biggest attack vectors there is. Hackers absolutely love old WordPress sites, unpatched routers, and lazy VPN setups. The fix for this? Turn on your automatic updates. Manually patch high-risk apps. Check your websites, your devices, and firewalls as often as you possibly can. Turn on your automation to let you know when that stuff is outdated. And finally, myth number 7. Cloud is safe by default. No, it's not. The cloud is powerful, but but it's your job to secure it. Misconfigured accounts, wide open file shares, no logging. This is exactly how companies get compromised. So how do we fix that one? Lock down your permissions, turn on your activity logs, understand exactly what your cloud providers are responsible for and what you are responsible for. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be overwhelming, but ignoring it is not the fix. That's the risk you can't afford. So here's the deal. You start small. You fix what you can today, and you work towards fixing something every single day. You look for those gaps and you try to figure out, what can I do to make my company more secure? What can I do to teach my users how to help make our company more secure? Your business and your customers, they're worth protecting. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. Comment below with any of the cybersecurity risks that you might be facing right now. I'd love to hear about that and happy to chat with you. This has been the Cybersecurity Sandbox. From red teams to real teams. See you next time.